Hello all and welcome to another video in the Write Music in 14 Steps course. It's Cody Wyman here again. In this lecture we're going to just navigate over to a free resource that we're going to use with this course. It's called Musescore. You're going to go to www.musescore.org and there is a download. I'm going to show you really quick. Let's go to musescore.org. And it's going to come up with, as soon as it loads, trying to get it to load here. But yeah, you're going to go to musescore.org. Musescore is a free program for first-time transcribers or experienced ones, it doesn't matter. And then you're going to go, this is the page, you're going to go to the free download, and you're going to basically say thank you for downloading the program, and it's going to go ahead and bounce it to your computer, so you're going to have it. And then once you do that, you can stay informed about Musescore via the newsletter and their developments. You can also purchase the definitive guide for mastering Musescore. That's a highly good resource for if you get stuck on things, and we're going to be using it somewhat in the course. So this is where you go to download. You could also create music on here on the site and then you upload it, but we will get to that later. And so once it's finished downloading, you go to your downloads and you basically click this. And it's going to come up with a little disk icon. It's going to open Musescore. And it's going to say verifying, and then it's going to go and take you straight to the page where you can drag it to your applications folder if you're on a Mac or on a PC. So you just got to wait for it. But that's how to do it. Drag it here, and once it's dragged, it will come up with a dialog box saying loading or going through all the agreements and whatnot. It will download the software for you, and as soon as you're done, it'll be complete, and then you could start creating on Musescore. So that is the free resource that we're going to use for the course. In the next video, we are going to actually go on to opening up the program, going through what some of the beginning palettes are, like the note entry palette and the dots palette and the braces and brackets and all that stuff. We will learn that in the next lecture. In the following lecture after that, we're going to start learning in various note input methods via keyboard or via mouse or via MIDI device, and then on and up from there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next one.